Hi, I'm Jim Gordon, and you're watching Market 1 Minute. Joining us is Christopher J. Moreau, CEO of Algernon Pharmaceuticals. Christopher, welcome.
Nice to see you.
Great to see you, sir. Okay, tell us about Algernon.
Algernon is a clinical stage drug development company. What's unique about Algernon is we're focused on drug repurposing. So we're not trying to move new compounds through to approval. We're looking at older compounds that have been approved, so they have a known safety history. They're off patent, and we investigate them to see if they can be repurposed to treat other diseases. It's a very cost-effective method of drug discovery, and it's very efficient. You can bring an older drug through to market approval to treat a new disease in under 5 years compared to 12 or 13 years for a new chemical entity.
Why did the company decide to investigate the psychedelic drug DMT for use on stroke patients?
It's really about the science. There's been a lot of interest in the psychedelic space in the last year, but specifically a group of researchers from the University of California exposed psychedelic drugs to brain neurons. And what was incredible is the psychedelic drugs caused the neurons to grow. There was a second study in Hungary where they showed that rats that had been affected by stroke had a vast improvement in 30 days after being exposed to DMT. What's interesting about DMT is that it clears the body very quickly. It only lasts for 5 or 6 minutes, a half-life. And so that led us to wonder if it can help a brain cell grow, could it help a stroke patient after they've suffered an injury? And that's what we decided to tackle.
And do you believe that DMT could be a game changer for stroke patients?
I do. There are hundreds of drugs that have been tested and haven't worked. And most of them have focused on trying to reduce the injury that occurs when blood flow is interrupted in the brain. This is really a different approach. We're trying to see if that once there's an injury and because of a lack of oxygen, the brain cells start to die, can drugs like DMT help the brain make new connections which would reduce the deficit that patients suffer after that stroke and help them recover? If it does work, it will have global significance for people all over the world that have suffered from a stroke.
Christopher, thanks for joining us.
Okay, Jim, thanks.